Hey, what's up? Sammy here. Today, let's take a quick look at the Redmi Band, the first wearable gear released by Redmi. Please note that currently, I don't have the product. It's in crowdfunding now. There's no way to buy it. But luckily, my Chinese tech reviewer partners permitted me to translate their videos. So, the video is in Chinese, but will be dubbed with my sexy English voice. I will do a detailed review video later once I get the product. Stay subscribed. So this is the package of the Redmi Band, same as Mi Band. On the two sides of the package, we can see some highlights like Alipay offline pay, heart rate monitor, notifications, and a sleep monitor. Multi-touch color screen, 580mm water resistance, that's awesome. Multi-sports mode, and integrated charging. What is that? We'll find out later. Inside the box, we see the band and a Chinese menu. That's all. Now, move to the band. As for the gesture control, there's no big difference from Mi Band. Swipe up or down, get to see different choices. Click in to see details, like you can check out your steps, distance, calories you burned address under the status option. Heart rate monitor, you can also set to all-day monitoring in the app, but that would consume battery more. Sports, there are currently 2 sports modes available, which are indoor running and free exercise. There will be 3 more available, including jogging, outdoor running, and cycling, once the firmware gets updated later. Notice that though the Redmi Band supports 580mm waterproofing, it doesn't have swimming mode. We can see weather, notification, nearly all the app notifications can be shown here, and it vibrates you to get you notified. We can see more choices under the more option like do not disturb, alarm, stopwatch. You can even control music from here. Find your phone. Of course, Alipay offline pay, but I'm not sure if you can use that outside of mainland China. Alright, one last question you might have is, how do we charge the band? Well, that's easy. Just rip off the strap, you will see the charging port, then you can connect to a laptop, a power strip, or even a power bank to charge. Though, as convenient as it seems, I'm not sure if the strap gets off easily when doing high-intensity exercise like playing basketball or football, because I ran into this situation before. I will test that once I get the product. Subscribe. As for the Redmi Band app, basically, you can find anything you want for a sports band here, whether to change your watch face or get an overview of your daily activity. Nothing is complicated. Alright, that's all for the Redmi Band so far. In my opinion, this could be the best budget sports band in 2020. It has all the basics you need. It's even 580mm waterproofing. What else we could ask for a $15 band, right? For more about the product, you can check out the link in the description or on the screen. If you do have any questions about it, please leave a comment below. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please give a subscription also to our partners. Thanks for watching. See you next time.